Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the honourable member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, the farm response uh, and the home gardening seed packages program started in 2020, March 2020. Mr. Speaker, on this note, I want to thank the Government of India that provided us with 6.9 tons of dry seeds that supported our farm response program. In addition to that, Mr. Speaker, in the COVID response budget, we had received $1 million from the Ministry of Economy to support these two programs. Mr. Speaker, to date, from 30th March 2020, we have distributed seed packages to about 218,792 households, Mr. Speaker, and each of these packages consist of 5 or 6 crop seeds, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this year, following TC Cody, we have distributed these home gardening seed packages to 20,000 households, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in addition to that, we have supported a large number of farmers with respect to provision of planting material, whether it's dry seeds or whether it's green planting material, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, these programs are continuing, and the farm response package, Mr. Speaker, that the farmers are getting the planting material. 8,000 farmers have been supported since March 2020. Mr. Speaker, on the other part of the questions with regard to the improvement of farm genetic attributes, whether it's crop or livestock, this is an ongoing program, Mr. Speaker. We got our research division, which is undertaking continuously research. We have released new varieties of crop, whether it's dallo, whether it's pigeon pea. We released pigeon pea. We are continuously undertaking seed purification of rice and also other crop. We have released eggplant new variety, tomato new variety, rice new variety. Mr. Speaker, these are continuously undertaken by in any country. Research continues to take place and has to take place to deal with new issues, new pests and diseases that arises, as well as adaptation to climate change, as well as to come up with high-yielding varieties. With regard to livestock, Mr. Speaker, again, we are very much concerned about the loss of genetic attributes due to inbreeding. So that is one aspect we are dealing with by providing them with breeders, whether it's poultry, whether it's sheep, goat, as well as cattle. So, Mr. Speaker, these programs are continuously ongoing, and we are supporting our farmers to improve the genetic material. Thank you.